Okay, welcome back again. Okay, what I want to look at now is again continuing with maths. Okay, make sure we can get the questions in view. Okay, make sure of that. Okay, good. Okay. Excuse me a second. Okay. Now again, these are for you to be doing for yourselves, and make sure you write them out. Now you have to write these out in your own folder or in your work notebook. Okay, there's no shortcuts to this. Okay. So I'm just trying to make sure that it's in view. Okay, so bear with me. I apologize for that. Okay. Okay. Let's make sure you're there. Okay. Okay. I hope you find this useful. Okay. Again. Okay. And again, here is some work which I've used previously, and it was produced by uh, someone by name you'll see at the bottom there. Okay. And it was paid for, I believe, at the time as well. Okay. So thank you. Hope you find this useful. Let me just make sure I can go back. Okay. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.